Hi, my name is Simkwanenzi and welcome to the Value Driver Model tutorial series. In this series, we're basically going to cover all things concerning this new module. Exciting, and I'm hoping that by the end of the series, we know what is a Value Driver Model, what it means in terms of, or what it is in terms of iQuest, or as a module under iQuest, and how we can then benefit from the features that come within. I'm going to be going through this tutorial, this user manual as a guideline, so that we keep things in check, keep things in place, and pretty straightforward. I hope whatever we cover is going to be beneficial to you. Right, that being said, let's get right into it. I'll start with the introduction section and then we'll move on to the next video. So what is a value driver model? In this case, it is designed to help organizations visualize, manage, and optimize the key drivers that impact their business performance. Right? It provides a structured approach to link operational metrics to financial outcomes, and this enables better decision making and scenario analysis. And what is the purpose really? We want to identify and manage critical value drivers. We want to visualize relationships between drivers in terms of a hierarchical structure, and we want to aggregate and calculate values dynamically. Right? So the lower level nodes should automatically feed data to the upper level nodes, and we apply formulas, and those will then ultimately come together to give us at the highest level what's called the summer, let's call it a summer, or an aggregated or computed value of how our business is doing in total. So if you're looking at it from a profit and loss perspective, at the highest level you can actually see how your business is performing, and at the lowest levels you're basically dealing with those nodes where the inputs are coming in. Right. And we obviously want to support reporting and integration for business analysis. Right. Now, it is key to mention that part of our development process, or part of our standard really, is to set a difference between what administrators and what users can do. And each module is different based on the core requirements. But in this case, organization administrators are going to be able to create, edit, manage, and manage those models, right? Whereas regular users will have limitations, and most likely will be limited to being able to view the results, being able maybe to play around with the tree and the like, but critical features will not be accessible to normal users. And we're going to cover that as we're going through this tutorial series. Now, at the end of the series, if you feel there are some points that have been missed, please feel free to reach out to support. But in the meantime, let's get right into it. I will catch you on the next video.